This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PS4 controller to your computer. First, ensure your controller is charged or has fresh batteries, depending on the model. We will cover two primary methods for connection: a wired approach using a USB cable and a wireless approach using Bluetooth technology. Each method has unique advantages, offering flexibility for your gaming setup. Connecting your PS4 controller with a USB cable is remarkably straightforward. Locate a standard micro USB cable, similar to one you might use for charging a smartphone. Plug the small end into the port on the front of your controller, and then connect the larger end into an available USB port on your computer. Your computer should recognize the device within a few moments and install any required software automatically, making it ready for immediate use. For a wireless connection, first, you need to prepare your computer for Bluetooth pairing. Open your computer's settings menu and then locate the Bluetooth and other devices section. Make sure the Bluetooth toggle is switched to the on position. Your computer will then begin searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. Keep this window open as we prepare the controller for pairing. Now, let's put your PS4 controller into pairing mode. On the controller, simultaneously press and hold both the central PlayStation button and the share button, found on the left side of the touchpad. Hold them down for approximately 3 to 5 seconds. You will notice the light bar on the controller begin to flash quickly, which signifies it is ready to connect. Your computer should now display wireless controller in its Bluetooth device list. Simply click on it to connect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.